Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let's do it. I am Shruti. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Share to your friends, relatives, your juniors and your neighbors. Don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start the basic concepts of mathematics of the series from zero to hero. And the today's topic is classification of numbers. Students, what is number? A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. So what is number? It is nothing but mathematical object used to count, measure and label anything. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. Next, what is number system? A number system is a system of writing to express numbers. That is, it is the mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols. So, what is number system? It is nothing but mathematical notation for representing what? Numbers of a given set by using digits or any other symbols. Okay. Now, let us see classification of numbers. How this number system is classified? So here we have real numbers and imaginary numbers. So the number system is classified into real numbers and imaginary numbers. In real numbers we have rational numbers and irrational numbers. In rational numbers we have integers and fractions. In integers we have positive integer, negative integer, whole number and natural number. These all together will be what? Even numbers as well as odd numbers. In fractions we have proper fraction and improper fraction. So let us understand this real number. So here real number is denoted by the capital letter R. Okay, real number is denoted by the capital letter R. Any number that can be plotted on a number line is called as real number. A number may be any number. For example, we have -2, 0.5, root of 2 which is equal to 1.414, pi which is equal to 3.1415 and so on, 1 by 2, 10 by 2, etc. See here, -2 can be represented on the number line here, okay, and 0.5 can be represented on a number line in between 0 and 1, and also root of 2 means 1.414. It is also represented on a number line between 1 and 2, and here pi value is what? 3.1415 and so on. This can be represented on a number line in between 4 and 5. So, what is real number? Any number that can be plotted on a real line is called as real number. It is denoted by what? Capital letter R. Here, students note that square of any real number is always non-negative. What is that? Square of a real number is always non-negative. What does mean by non-negative? Non-negative means it is a positive number. But instead of writing directly as positive number, I have written as a non-negative. Why I have written non-negative? Because here non-negative means it includes a 0 also. So non-negative means it includes a 0 and a positive number. Similarly, non-positive means what? Non-positive means it is negative number, but it includes 0 also. So non-positive means it includes 0 and negative numbers. Non-negative means it includes 0 and positive number. So real number is always non-negative. For example, see here I have taken -2. What is the square of -2? It is 2. That is what? Positive number. That is what? Non-negative. And I have taken root of 2. What is the square of root of 2? It is what? 2. This is what? Positive. That is nothing but non-negative. Okay. Rational number is denoted by capital letter Q. A rational number is a number that is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. What is rational numbers? A number that can be represented in the form of P divided by Q. Here P and Q are what? Integers, and Q is not equal to 0. For example, we have 1 by 3, whether it is in the form of P by Q? Yes. 2 by 4, is it in the form of P by Q? Yes. 1 by 5, is it in the form of P by Q? Yes. 9 by 4, is it in the form of P by Q? Yes. And see here, P by Q, 1 by 3 means P by Q form. Here, in place of Q, we have 3. Whether it is equal to 0? No. So here, Q should not be equal to 0. Because, why Q should not be equal to 0? Because anything divided by 0 will be what? Undefined. In mathematics, any number divided by 0 will be what? Undefined. We cannot define this. Therefore, here Q should not be equal to 0. Okay. So, let us see what is irrational number. Irrational number is denoted by the letter P. Irrational number is denoted by P. An irrational number is a type of real number which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. It is the opposite of what? Rational number. It means it cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. For example, we have root of 2, root of 3, root of 5, root of 11, pi, etc. These are the examples of irrational numbers. But what? Here root of 4, root of 25, root of 36, etc. are not what? Are not irrational. Are not irrational numbers. Root of 4, root of 25, root of 36, etc. are not irrational numbers. Why? They are not irrational numbers. They are in the form of root. Therefore, it should be an irrational number. But it is not an irrational number. Why? Because root of 4 is what? Perfect square root. It means root of 4 will be what? 2. And root of 25 is what? It is 5. And root of 36 is what? 6. So, it is not in the form of root. Therefore, it is 2, 5, 6. Therefore, it is not an irrational number. Instead, it is a what? Rational number. How it is a rational number? Rational number should be in the form of P by Q. But it is not in the form of P by Q. Here, see here. Anything divided by 1 will be what? The same number. So, if nothing is there means we have to consider it as 1. Therefore, it will become a rational number. It will be in the form of P by Q. Therefore, 2, 5, 6 is what? Rational number. Okay. Integers are denoted by the letter Z. Okay. Integers are denoted by the letter Z. An integer is defined as a number that can be written without a fractional component. What? Without a fractional component. Your fractional components means what? It may be 9.75, 5 plus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is what? Fractional component. Here 0.75 is a fractional component. Root 2 is also fractional component. Because root of 2 is what? 1.414 and so on. There is a fractional component. Therefore, integer is a number that can be written without a fractional component. Examples are 21, 4, 0, minus 4, minus 2048, etc. are integers. Here 0 also a integer. While 9.75 it includes the fractional components. 5 plus 1 by 2 it includes fractional component. 0.2 it has also fractional component. Therefore these are not integers. Let us understand integers through a number line. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are what? Positive numbers. Therefore it is what? Positive integer from 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are what? Positive integers. From -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. These are what? Negative integers. From where? From -1. Okay, these are negative integers. From +1, these are what? Positive integers. Here 0 is neither a positive integer nor negative integer. Okay, but it is an integer. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive integer plus 0. Positive integer including 0 is what? Whole number. Whole number is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It is a whole numbers. Excluding 0 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the positive integers are what? Natural numbers. Natural number does not include 0. Whereas whole numbers include 0. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Negative integer means -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Integer also include 0. Okay. So let's see what is even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers which can be divided by 2. For example, 0, 2, 4, 6, -8, -10. Here can be divided by 2, 4 can be divided by 2, 6 can be divided by 2. Here -8 can be divided by 2, -10 can be divided by 2. Therefore, these are what? Even numbers. Even numbers may be a positive or negative. Here 0 also a even number. Why? 0 divided by 2 is what? 0 only. Therefore, 0 is considered as even numbers. Odd numbers. Numbers which cannot be divided by 2 are called as odd numbers. For example, 1. Whether 1 can be divided by 2? No. 3 can be divided by 2? No. Therefore, -5 can be divided by 2? No. 7 can be divided by 2? No. Therefore, 1, 3, -5, 7, 9, -11, 13 and so on are what? Odd numbers. Odd numbers also may be a positive number or negative numbers. Let's see what is fractions. A fraction is a number expressed as a quotient in which a numerator is divided by a denominator. Example, 5 divided by 2, 2 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 3 divided by 2, etc. are what? Fractions. Here 5 is what? Numerator. 2 is what? Denominator. If we divide the numerator divided by denominator, we will get a quotient. Therefore, a fraction is a number expressed as a quotient. Okay. So, fractions are what? Examples are 5 divided by 2, 2 divided by 5, etc. In that fractions, we have proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. What is proper fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. Here, for example, 2 divided by 5. Here 2 is less than 5. Next 3 divided by 7. Here 3 is less than 7. 1 divided by 2. Here 1 is less than the number 2. Next 1 divided by 3. Here the number 1 is less than the number 3. Therefore, these are what? Proper fractions. Next, improper fractions. In improper fraction, numerator is more than the denominator. Here, numerator will be bigger than the denominator. For example, 5 divided by 2. Here 5 is more than 2. 7 divided by 3. Here 7 is more than 3. And here we have, it is a proper fraction. For example, we have 9 divided by 2. Here 9 divided by 2 is what? Improper fraction. That is 9 is greater than 2. Okay, this is what? Proper fraction. Now let us see what is imaginary number. If a square of a given number is negative, then such a number is called imaginary number. Okay, if a square of any number is a negative, then that will be what? Imaginary number. For example, if we take root of -2, square of this will be what? -2. So this is what? Imaginary number, because the square of this number will be what? -2. Next, let us take root of -3. Root of -3 square will be what? -3 only. Therefore, root of -3 is what? Imaginary number. Let us take root of -1. The whole square will be what? -1. Therefore, here root of -1 is what? An imaginary number. Okay, root of -1 is equal to I. I means imaginary number. It will help in the 11th standard. Okay. Now let us see what are prime numbers. A number which has two factors are called as prime numbers. A number 1 and the number itself are what? Prime numbers. Prime numbers means a number which has two factors. Number 1 and itself is called as prime numbers. For example, if you take any number, it should have what? Two factors. One factor will be 1 and other factor is what? The number itself. For example, if you take 2, the factors of 2 are 1 and the number itself. If we take 3, the factors are 1 and the number itself, that is 3. If we take 5, the factors are 1 and 5, the number itself. These are called as prime numbers. Okay. In prime numbers, except number 2, all the other numbers are odd numbers. Okay. In prime numbers, except number 2, all the other numbers are odd numbers, because 2 is what? Even number, and the other number will be what? Odd number. Remember that in prime numbers, except the number 2, all the numbers will be what? Odd numbers. Let us see what is composite numbers. A number which has more than two factors is what? Composite number. Okay. For example, if you take the number 9, its factors are what? 1, 3 and 9. Is it more than 2? Yes, the factors are more than 2. Therefore, it is what? Composite number. Let us take 4. What are the factors? 1, 2 and 4. The factors are more than 2. Therefore, 4 is what? Composite number. Let us take 12. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factors are more than 2. Therefore, 12 is a composite number. Students, remember that 1 is neither a prime number nor composite number. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Why 1 is not a prime number? Because the factors of 1 is only 1. But in prime numbers, the factor should be 2. Therefore, 1 cannot become a prime number. Why it is not composite number? Because in composite numbers, the factor should be more than 2. The factors of 1 is only 1. Therefore, it is not composite number. Hope you understood today's topic. If you have any doubts, please write down the doubts in the comment section. Thank you.